Saan yung likod, idol?
Likod ng 9.
Likod ng 9.
Nandito sa taas. Nakikita ko. Bomb squad nila.
Likod ng 9.
Oh, sa
Saan
taas.
sila kayo?
Yung papuntang
Taas?
mountain. Mountain.
Hila pa invite, Risky.
Sa may mountain.
Sige lang.
Yung party ko pwede natin tayuan to sila BKY oh.
Pesto na pin 6 guys, yung bomb squad ni Kevy.
Food bap, pras, food bap.
Kog, food back mo, Kog.
Kaya
Wala
ata
na bang food pub yan?
clear tong platform na.
Tandaan nyo lagi, playeran sa party nyo, spacing.
Fireforge.
30 seconds.
Tapos lipat ka dito.
Punta pin 2 na Kevy, diyan madaan yan.
Ah.
Pin
Hindi,
2 palipad pa po.
pin 8,
Ay, pin 8
pin
pa.
8 lang, pin 8 lang.
Pamata sa akin
Kaya
ha,
daw pinit.
yung nasa pin 8, hatakin ko siguro papunta sa akin.
Kaya namin
10
to yung party
seconds.
lang namin.
Ah, si Chi.
Sige.
Loading daw siya. Ewan ko dyan.
5 seconds.
Okay, ready. Pause ta. Huwag kayo masyado magdikit-dikit dyan, pin 8 ah, taas. Ready ah. Guardianing tayo, ready. Full buff. In 3, 2, 1. Guardians up, guardians up, guardians up. Guardians up. Pavings now, flash wave now, flash wave now, flash wave now, flash wave now.
Nakuha nila pin 8 ah. Wait,
Sige.
Capping sila.
Control tayo dito sa taas.
Fire and box, let's go back.
SNS.
Ubus na yung pin 6, isa na lang natira.
Bomba pa dito sa taas.
Pin 8, pin 8. Madami.
Balik lang agad ah.
Yes.
Lumalaban pa kami, wiping to. Push down tayo. Patayin natin mga nasa baba. Ayan yun yung mga SNS sa taas. Patayin nyo nasa flag. Wipe sila. Ma-wipe natin to.
Kill the people on the flag. Stops.
May flash isa.
Pabalik
Ready
pala.
to lang ah. Ready, flash wave on the flag in 3, 2, 1. Flash wave now. Nice. Follow up on the 2. Pile them up on the flag. Just keep
Run
moving.
box, let's go from pin 2 ah. So that we can pinch them.
Push them out, guys. If we can push them.
Okay.
Cancel.
Okay, dyan.
Pause their DPS, guys. Just pause. Pin 7.
Cancel.
Their unbox are on pin 7. Patayin natin yung mga spears. 7. Nice. Marami na tayo. Kunin na ulit
Alaptad
taas.
na Narlo ah. Alaptad mo yung Narlo.
Party ni Madoka, Chani Chow. Kunin nyo yung taas. Pin 8 ulit. Kunin nyo yung pin 8.
Okay.
O,
Wala na tao
pasok ko
doon.
lahat
May
sila sa
perfect,
ano.
let's
go up.
May flash wave. May flash wave.
Ready flash waves on pin 7. Ready flash wave at pin 7 in 3, 2, 1. Flash wave now. Pin 7.
Okay, we have pin 8.
XCD double flash wave.
Okay. Pa-cancel, guys. Si Jose, patay nyo. Staffs. Control tayo ng pushing tayo towards pin 4 ha. Wait lang. Bomb squad nga, pin 4 pa-control. Bomb squad, pin 4 control.
Double flash wave up na to.
Okay. Ready flash waving tayo. Flag to pin 4 in 3,
Cancel na ako,
2,
hindi.
1. Double flash waves now. To pin 4 break. Pin 4 break. Flash wave now.
We're doing good ah. Good pressure.
Just push them out, guys. If they come out. Just push their healers out. You don't need to kill them.
We're doing good.
Okay, good job. Okay, kill the guys inside now.
Piton on pin 7, makapal.
Bomb pin 7 now.
Saan ang landbox natin, Kuya Jake?
Okay, dire-diretso ko lang.
May
Pin two,
nangahalang sa
Okay,
akin.
ready flash waves at pin 4. Pasabi pag meron.
Mas
Baka
magandang...
Dead ako.
Okay.
Hindi ko kita.
Mas okay yung
Yeah,
sa
control
stacking
pin
kayo
7.
ah.
Ready flash waves at pin 4. Ready?
Pin 4
3,
is thick.
2, 1. Flash waves now at pin 4, guys. Now at pin 4. Pin 4. At the bridge. Sleep bomb on the bridge. Alright, keep burning the guys at the flag. They're all low. Staff users, you guys can kill them ah. Lemonar, nasa taas ng 8.
Ito lang mana.
May
Ay,
capturing ah.
balik ka konti dito. Balik konti. Pin 8, pin 8. Kunin niya yung pin 8. Mga defense
Half
natin
week
patayin
kami. Close na kami.
Okay,
Pwedeng
okay,
pinch ah. Pwedeng pinch. Sa...
Cancel ko.
Kuha na natin yung pin 4. Kuha na natin.
Okay, okay, okay.
Just kill the guys inside. Kill the spear guys inside.
Okay na,
Roll low.
we...
Roll low.
May apoy na lahat
10 seconds,
Okay,
double
fine,
flash
fine.
wave Save na yung ano.
Alright, spacing on the flag guys, spacing on the flag, they're also burning it. Only coppers will be playing there.
Up na yung cooldown ko sa double flash.
Alright, ready flash wave on 4. Ready in 3, 2, 1, flash wave on the flag towards 4.
Cancelled na, nag-immune na ako.
Nice
Okay, good job.
cancels.
Just keep killing them bro.
Baba dito, Ila.
They can't do anything ah. We're winning really hard ah.
Alright, ready, bomb, pin 4, let's help pin 4, ready in 3, 2, 1, help pin 4 now, Ignore the tanks guys, ignore the tanks. Just the copper. Okay, they're running back again from. Just keep killing the guys at pin 7. It's suicide.
Mamatay na yung copper nila.
Pop your remedies when you're flash waving up. Pag may flash wave tayo.
Meron, dalawa.
Okay, ready flash wave. Double flash wave at the flag. Double flash wave at the flag to pin 4. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Flash wave now. Flag towards pin 4.
They're dying, they're
Ako
dying.
naka-cancel.
Check the spear guys inside the square.
Half yung 4J half yung mga buhay.
May tumatakbo
Just kill
dito.
the guys here at pin 7.
Tumatakbo papuntang hill.
Immune na ako. Maka-cancel ka na.
They're trying to retake pin 8. Just remember, play around with your party. Smoke screen, guys. Push them out. Pin 7 now. Cancel now, guys. Cancel.
Kina-cancel ko na kayo. Cancel
Alright,
na.
good job. Fine,
Nice
crash
F,
group.
nice F.
Ready flash wave, double next.
Kill the guys at 4.
Flash
There's
wave,
a zombie,
up.
zombie mode on pin 4. Just kill.
Sige,
Ay,
May flash wave tayo ah.
Okay, don't.
Okay.
They're regrouping, I think. They're regrouping. Natatapos na yung zombie mode
Rene,
nila.
you guys see Rene?
Weird ako.
Don't flash wave, guys, ah. Don't need. Just keep healing. Set the flag, guys. Turn it to set the flag. Yun, namatay ako. Kill the guys at 8. May mga nasa taas. 8 DPS. Yes.
Canceling ako.
Okay,
Cancel.
nice. Good job.
Wala na ako tornado ah.
Makapal na yung 4.
Pwede na.
Okay, ready flash wave now. Pin 4. 3, 2, 1. Flash wave now.
Double flash pwede.
Running
Double
back
ah,
ako,
guys,
kuya.
double
Hindi ko kita. Call mo lang. Continuous camps lang, guys. Running back ako.
Flash wave palit pa 4.
Flash wave again on 4.
Tapos pwede nyo spam tornado to para di tayo
Tornado is sa gitna.
matalo na.
Wala na marami.
Nasa loob na sila.
cancel.
Nasa loob. Hindi maka-cancel, Bo.
Okay.
Maka-immune. Ka-cancel ko na lang. Cancel na lang ulit.
Yeah, just focus on killing them first. Kahit naman makap yan, wala naman.
Retake natin 8, pre. Yung yung taas. Okay,
Party nila, Bo. Okay lang, party ni Bo tsaka ni Chow lang ba? Guys, remember at pin 7, pin 9 now. Pin 9. May mga DPS dito nagtatago na sa likod. Pailo ko FT, mamatay ako.
Napatay ako, Kuya Jay.
Putik na, zombie tayo.
Huwag kayo bababa para di kayo mapitas
Guys,
ng mga
we're
DSL.
losing control.
May nag-hold nung
Just
piton
keep coming back.
sa baba.
Oh, sa 7 boss, sa 7 may nag-hold. Mga pabalik.
Makapal
yung
na
bomb
yung
squad?
Yung priority nga, focus run backs yung party nila, nila Kuya B na lang.
They're pushing
Party nila kaya
from
B,
4 ah.
focus
They have inside already.
Ah,
I think
pin
we
3?
RG.
RG na to.
I think we
Wala
RG.
na tao sa
Yeah. I
loob.
think we RG.
Vaporist PT,
Okay.
pin 3.
We RG.
Vaporist
Okay, we
PT.
Come outside,
regroup
safe
pin 2. Regroup at pin 2 now, guys.
Pinto. Come.
Just kill the guys.
May
Kill
party.
the guys here, on our side. Kill the guys here. Free kills.
Pumasok.
Kill them. Hold the top line. Cancel nyo lang. Pushing down tayo, pin 4 in 3, 2. Push down. Flash waves up, flash waves up, flash waves up. On the bridge, on the bridge, on the bridge.
Pwede cancel
They're
lata.
wiping they're wiping.
Rest.
Yeah, wipe lang natin to. Pin 4 muna. Wipe huwag
Save
muna
me,
mag-send
sir.
sa-
Likod nyo, makapal.
Na-sleep bomb.
Parang wala tayo napapatay. RG tayo na maayos.
Makabog ako.
Safe zone tayo mag-RG. Pangat. It's okay. Just regroup now on the safe zone, no? Stop fighting. Get out. Better. Just get out. Full regroup. 50 seconds. Get out. Don't die. Stay here first, outside. Heal up. Full regroup. Guys, remember spacing, smoke screen. We can fight them in the hill advantage. They have spears. Tingnan ko ilang second. 30. Okay. Let's just wait.
No, we need...
Kahit ma-capture nila.
Sige,
Focus lang tayo sa ano. Ang tagal pa na iba.
Pwede
natin.
tayo, split. If ever.
Yep. Team 2, Madoka, Chow, Mamamoo Red Party, play with me.
Okay.
Tapos the rest, push right.
Guardian na din tayo, boss.
Okay. Push right yung the rest.
The rest
Okay.
push right
Wala
daw
dyan. Okay, ready. In 3, 2, 1, pasok. Pinto daw. Right side kaya. Patayin nyo muna yun nandito. Don't dive yet. Kill the guys here. Kill si Lose, patayin nyo si Lose. Kill mo na. Get some kills. Don't dive yet Just kill
Nice
the guys
kill,
struggling.
back squad.
Kill the guys struggling, guys. Okay, ready flashes at the choke, pin 4. Ready?
Yes, ready.
In 3, 2, 1. Flash waves na, pin 4. Hook nyo. Flash waves na, pin 4.
Guardian Jai, mamaya na.
Mena.
Okay.
Push. Ay, spears. Spacing. Dive nyo na yung right side. We're pushing now in 3, 2, 1. Guardians up. Go inside. Guardians up. Putang ina, manidisi ako.
Tuloy sa call nyo guys.
Wiping kalaban ah.
We're wiping.
Guardians up, guys. Guardians up. Get
Yung
P8
na
now.
kayo umakyat sa
Take control.
P8.
Gate
Chow,
gate
Chow.
na.
Yung piton pre,
Saan
pabantay.
ang gate?
Bridge.
Anong gate?
Guard the bridge, guys. Guard the bridge.
Huwag na mag-coms yung iba. Putang ina.
Pabalik pa lang ako.
Anong gate? 8 minutes pa.
Kalma lang.
Pabalik ako. Hindi, relax na. Tama na yan. Ano ba yung comms?
Hindi ko alam
Pabalik pa lang ako.
Kung patay din ako eh.
Wala,
Wala,
basag
mas makapal siya, basag to.
SNS
na lang yung
nasa flag
One more.
Okay, push one more.
Yung nasa right side, wag mo na mag-push. Patayin nyo lang yung right side. Sabihin ko na lang sa inyo mag-push na kayo. The guys who was playing in the right side, just wait for a while. Stay safe zone first. Bomb squad nga, pwede kayong manggaling na sa taas, bagsakan nyo yung pin 8. Party ni Bia, tsaka party ni Soy. Akit kayo
Outside,
sa...
come outside. Come outside.
Stop fighting. We're planning. One more push. Pin 11, party ni Bia, party ni Soy.
Pras, amin ka muna, pras. Nising pras.
Bomb squad nila late pumapasok sa may tulay. Puro DPS yung
Yep.
nadadali sa atin.
Good naman yung retake natin sa 2 eh. Spacing lang yun, wag lang natin ipipilit yung bridge. Kailangan talaga may mapasok na yung likod, tsaka tayo papasok ng bridge. Wag lang magpapanik.
Pras, amin ka muna nising pras ha. Nilamok eh.
11 minutes.
7 minutes Kuya Jai 7.
Pasabi pag nakapwesto na yung bomb squad 2 tsaka 3 Tapos yung party nyo, party ni Fireforge, ang priority nyo, patayin yung nasa baba, right side. Banggayin nyo na lang yung bomb squad nila, Kuya B.
Sige.
7 minutes Kuya Jai.
Sige,
7 na.
nakapwesto na ba? Bia, Soy TC, party nyo. Pin 11 guys. To right side. Party ni Bia tsaka ni Soy.
Pin
Relax
11.
Going up pa.
Sige. Pasabi pa game na. Just relax guys. Easy win. Always don't use skills on the guys who's tanking. Just keep on killing their DPS.
Remedy
Unless they're
rin
getting
tayo.
Kaya, checking lang ako ano pwede. Okay, kapal dito. Right side
Saan
tayo.
yung first contact? 2 muna,
Ready,
Jai.
ready mo na,
Tama ba?
Jay.
2?
Hindi, right side na tayo lahat. Ready
Right
na kayo?
side.
Okay, right side muna
Yes,
kami.
yes, yes.
Move right, follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me. Follow me, hold it. We're gonna hold this, we're gonna hold this side.
May sumusunod sa atin na.
Yep. Patayin niyo tong sumusunod sa atin. Patayin niyo tong sumusunod sa atin.
Sleep bomb na. Oh.
Ni-sleep bomb kayo. Wala namang follow up yan. Walang follow up yan. Mga pakit lang yan. Kill the guys here right now. We're pushing towards 4 Party, mga DPS party natin. Pinto na kayo. Ready? We're pushing in 3, 2, 1. Push pin 4 now. Kill the guys at pinto Kill the guys at pinto. Kill the guys at pinto. Malayo ang run box guys. Malayo ang run box. Huwag kayo magpapatay agad. Priority nyo yung safety nyo. Flash waves at the bridge. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Flash waves now at the bridge. Flash waves. Talon na yung bomb squad. Talon na bomb squad.
Ipit kami doon sa baba.
Sige, laban lang. Push up guys. Push up on the side. Tayo na wala nag-heal sa inboy. Okay, laban lang. Push towards the flag. First push towards the flag. Push inside guys. Push inside. Yung mga sa pin 4, push inside. Kill the guys inside. Take control of that square.
Isa taas, oh.
Pahila
Hindi
ko.
kahit alam nila dapat yung timing lang. Spacing guys, yung mga namamatay agad. Ba't kayo mamamatay agad? Expect nyo naman na papatatalunin tayo.
Na-wipe ko Jai, na-wipe tayo.
Okay. One more. Fast 3 group ba bomb squad 2 and 3. We do it one more time. We can wipe them. Wag lang mapatay agad. Ang base masyado mamatay.
Nauunahan lang talaga dyan nung ano. Talon.
Gago, umulan. Okay, edi sige. Wag na kayo mag-ano. Bomb squad here at left side. Go to pin 1. Kami dos. Bomb squad will take pin 2. Hold tayo ng ano. Kila, pesto ka na ng gate, Kila.
Laban na lang ba ako?
Sige. Pwede. Go.
Yung umakyat din kanina dyan papunta 11 side. Or kabilang side.
Just wait for a while.
Yung sundan ako ng Poseidon.
Bomb squad, kayo na nga mauna. Burst nyo na agad tong pinto. Namamatay yung mga DPS natin Kailangan maliit tong mga te.
Nula rep.
Bomb squad
Jai,
will be
call mo,
pushing. Bomb squad will be pushing first sa pin 2. Just kill the guys at pin 2, then the others will follow. Ready?
Tama na ako doon.
In 3, 2, 1, go. DPS, stay kayo. Patayin nyo yung
Nagpapabol
mga
sila.
nasa
Nagpapabol sa
DPS, stay
choka.
behind. Okay. Hold. Flash waving tayo in the bridge. Hook them. Flash wave at the bridge in 3, 2, 1. Flash wave now. Flash wave now. Okay, tayo. Push in. Push na. Kalahati na matay sa nila.
Okay pa iwan.
Manap now.
Party, go in.
Manap now. Gate na kila. Manap now. Push in guys. Play inside. Don't play outside. Tornadoes at the bridge.
Safe pala dito.
Keep burning the flag side
Pahila ko pa-support ng heal. Patry ko capture.
Okay.
Di pa ako.
Hindi.
Let's keep playing inside guys.
Solo na lang ako
We're ready
dito.
using gate. Wala pa magkaka-flash whip
5 seconds.
Sa safe ko na ginate Jay, may tao dito sa ano.
If you die, just run to 8. If you die, run to 8. Come down to 8. We're fighting. We're still fighting. Come back
Drop 8
We're
drop
still
8.
fighting. We're just jump to 8. Jump to 8 and jump to 6, guys. Ready flash waves at the bridge.
Kunin natin yung taas.
Ang tagal ng run box.
Mamamatay na tong 8 oh.
Ay, go. Keep fighting.
Dito na.
Nag-gate na rin sila.
Come 8.
Sa taas sila na gate. Puntahan ko dyan Jay.
Okay. Siray mo.
Hawak nila 8.
Go. Just drop down now. Drop down 8. Tayo yung makakuha niyang 8 Tapos mga tanks baba na agad. Flash them at the flag, guys.
Bilang flash wave tayo?
Teka lang. Pabalik pa lang ako.
Hawakan mo natin 8. 8 lang muna. Bagsak nyo.
Guys, on 8 On 8. We need to swarm 8.
Pin 8, guys. Pin 8. Kill the guys here first. Tapos yung mga tanks baba. Kaya na. Yung mga DPS lang yan. Kaya niyan.
Kailangan ko ng heal pag nagka-cap.
Okay, 8 lang. Na wipe
Hindi,
yung
huwag muna
8.
pilit yung cup. Sleep bomb on the flag,
Yeah.
guys. Okay, ready. Flash waving towards bet the flag. Ready. In 3. Tangina. RJ on the gate. RJ on the gate. RJ on the gate. Ang pangit. RJ on the gate now, guys.
Don't
Everyone on
drop
the gate.
Come back on the gate.
Don't jump.
Come back on
RJ on
the
the gate. Everyone RJ on the gate. Don't jump. Bow yung party nyo. Tsaka party ni Chow. Pin 8. Tapos yung
Kita ko
the rest.
lagi eh.
Sa-
Hindi nga na tumatalon eh.
Hindi ko nga alam eh.
The rest, pin 9, pin 7.
Tutulak kami, Bong.
Okay, ready? In 3, 2, 1. Jump now. Yung oras. 2 seconds. Magpo-focus cancel na lang yan eh. Bago na yellow ko.
Si Lemonar.
Go. Ready flash waves in 3, 2, 1. Flash waves now.
8 is wiping.
Their gate is gone. We still have gate, guys. Just fight.
Wala nang gate yun.
If you have guardians up.
Wala nang kita.
Cap. On the bridge,
Wala
guys.
na
Flash wave on
makap.
the bridge.
Hindi
Push them out of the
nagkakap.
water.
Baka may
Keep running
namamatay
back.
sa
They don't
kanila.
have gate, guys. They don't have gate anymore.
10 seconds. Okay, tornado on flag. Abot ba 5 seconds? 3 seconds. Di
Capture.
Wala. GG.
GG.
Na-tropa natin yung ano. Okay lang. GG. Last talk talaga.
Sayang. Hindi ko makap.
Bumitaw pa tayo ng uli. Puta, wala na nag-heal sa akin, FT.
Hindi, Kuya
Banda
Jay.
kalahati.
Nung
Hold na
nababurst na din ako eh. Parang re-prep ako ng ano.
Bawian natin sa
Ah.
Monday. Guys, we will fight them again on Monday, ah. Tangina, sobrang winnable no.
Nakakap ako ng ano. Ay,
Tingali
puro
to,
lightning
party na to.
bolt yung tumatama sa akin. Sayang yung last cup. Hindi yata na-heal yung nagka-cup. Makakap na
Hindi,
niya.
halfway. Guys, the spears are so free. Wala na sa targeting. Hindi, kahit makap natin yan, nakita ko, wiping tayo eh. Nagiging issue sa atin yung ano, nakakalibre sila. Kukulang ata sa pawapatay. Kayang-kaya natin yan eh. Anyways, GG. Let's try fix some other stuff.
GG's, nice try.
Tomorrow Riftstone, I don't know where we bidding it. Issue nun.
Nung mga 12 minutes, Kuya Jay, wala nang pumapatay sa, pin 5 ba yun? Pin 5 side?
Yung ano
Saka
ata,
10.
yung namatay ka ata na 1 point tapos ano.
Wala nag sa akin, boy. Ito, replay ko.
Pin 4, pin 5.
Oo,
Nagigil na tayo.
nag
Yung spear na si Lemon R, natalon ako kaso puta, natalonan din ako eh.
Pin per
Sayang
pin.
yun sa amin dun.
Wala,
Di ba
literal,
natin-
walang pumapansin dyan, Lemon R tsaka Irene.
namin sa pin.
Pag tumatakbo tayo pabalik, walang pumapansin din sa mga spear nila.
Oh.
Nang wala pang tubig.
Siguro, bago tayo. At ano na lang, lahat ng GS natin, target spear nila, wala nang papataying iba.
Save skill lang para doon talaga.
Para sa spear na lang. Meles
Tapos
per dagger,
nangyayari,
nakakalimutan.
7, pin
Bitaw na ng
7
bitaw
and
na
10
skill.
yung Kuya Jay. Hindi,